off on Wednesday. Swell day to spend in the park, I think about you. Say it's always the same, but for me anyway, it's a novelty. Let's spend a night in the bird line with all of our friends. Our captain buys her time waiting for Logan to give her the okay to end. Nothing is on my mind, laughing at the clouds they roll by. Hold off until tonight, gently it kills and leaves us behind. Lucky on Thursday, stumble down Massapog into Borderland. Oak and plants throw me a smile. No parking signs for the mile. Might as well delay into the cover of darkness. Hides our eyes from our night plans. On Mountain Street in the dead of the night, let's hope for our sake I'm right. Nothing is on my mind. Through the night I hear her humming just fine. Someday the pinwheels collide. Gently it kills and leaves us behind.